a golden image was raised over the plain of Babylon.
Monuments serve as a testament to my reign.
At the sound of music, the nations bowed. But 3 men did not. They stood, not in rebellion, not in anger, but in loyalty to their God. The king's anger burned. He ordered the furnace heated 7 times hotter than ever before. The fire roared so fiercely that even the soldiers who carried them were overcome. Bound in chains, they were thrown into the flames. And for a moment, it seemed that obedience had led only to total destruction. Then the king rose in sheer astonishment. Did we not throw 3 men into the fire? Look, I see 4 men walking in the very heart of the fire. Unbound, unharmed. And the 4th was with them. The fire did not consume them.